how has playing your character changed the way you personally view justice, loyalty, or even revenge?
Lalim.
Opo.
Lalim yan.
Thank you to our media friends.
Well, how did I apply it to my life?
Yes, sir. Justice,
Mahirap
loyalty.
kasi pag sinabi kong hindi kami nagkakalayo ni Magnus, maraming isipin sa akin ng tao, hindi naman. Siguro yung values, nagkakamali, nagbibigay ng puso sa iba na hindi naman dapat. Tapos, natututunan yung mga pagkakamali, hindi ina-apply. Tapos, kumbaga reintegration ng kanyang value system, reintegration throughout Magnus' journey, na-realize niya gaano kahalaga ang mga taong nagmamahal sa iyo, nabigyan ng pahalaga ang bawat nagbibigay sa iyo ng atensyon. I think that's something that I would like to carry. I think Magnus carried himself until the end. You know, sinacrifice ng sarili niya even to the point na he took the bullets for his family. So he was ready to die for those who loved him.
Thank you, sir. Sir Joel, you kind of touched on this earlier, but if you can expound again, how has playing your character changed the way you personally view justice, loyalty, or even revenge?
Like I said, justice is served. No? Justice shall prevail. Do not put the law into your hands. And revenge is, vengeance, they say, is best served cold. Pero the thing is, it has its own process. Kailangan you have to trust in the law, in the universal law, that justice shall prevail. And crime does not pay in the long run. If you're not served here in this world, maybe in another world, you will have to repay for the things that you have done.
So do good, so good things will come.
Yes. Yep.
Thank you, Sir Joel. Miss LT, sa inyo po.
Sabi na lahat, pero yung sa justice, kumbaga talagang ang ending, lagi masakit. Laging merong katapat sa pagkakamali mo, may katapat na paghuhusga. Now, sa loyalty, it pays to be loyal. Siyempre, lagi. Maganda na nandun ang loyalty. Kahit naman kanino, sa bawat tao, kahit na mga kaibigan mo, mas makikita mo na mas matagal yung nakakasama mo, lalo na kung may loyalty. Now, revenge, wala sa kamay natin, maaaring merong batas at merong batas ng Diyos.
Thank you, Miss LT. Miss Jenny, sa inyo po.
Justice, you need to believe in justice kasi that's hope. It's also hope. If you continue to hope for justice, it will be your reason for living. Now, pagdating sa loyalty, loyalty is super important. Loyalty to family, loyalty to friends, loyalty to yourself.
Thank you. Yasi, for you. Justice, loyalty, or revenge?
Justice, I think, is also hope. Something na dapat hindi tayo mawalan ng pag-asa na magkakaroon ng justice. Loyalty, I love loyalty because parang pag na-experience mo yun with the right people, they can really take your life and make it so much more beautiful kapag ka very reciprocated loyalty na binibigay mo rin sa kanila. And then revenge, kasi wala na akong oras para dun eh. Wow! I try to be very, very positive. So parang revenge, I think, as much as possible, my old self, parang bigat-bigat pa sa loob ko yan. Parang isipin ko pa, wala, kailangan isang araw, ganyan. Hindi pwedeng mangyari sa akin, parang gano'n. Pero ngayon, day by day, I just really try to look forward, hindi na masyado look in the past.
Kasi yung revenge, vengeance din yun di ba? Na mabigat yung pakiramdam. So positive na. May para sa'yo.
Yung justice tsaka revenge po, kasi believer po ako ng Panginoon, talagang lahat sinisurrender ko yung dalawang yun sa Kanya. Lalo na po yung revenge. Kasi sabi niya, vengeance is mine. So, ibig sabihin, nasa Kanya yung, kumbaga, lahat ng karma or consequences dun sa taong yun. Yung sa atin lang. Kapag may naggagawa ng yung taong mali sa akin, I just have to trust God talaga and put my faith in Him na siya na yung magbibigay ng justice na yun. All I have to do is to be still. So, yung sa loyalty naman po, hindi lang loyalty sa mga tao. More like sa choices ko. Loyalty ko sa vow ko. Kasi yung pagiging mabuting tao, choice siya eh. Yung pagiging, yung kindness po towards others is a choice. So, yung loyalty ko nandoon. Kasi kung hindi, mawawala ako.
Kyle?
Para sa akin. When it comes to justice, I feel like justice is something that's meant to happen. It's something that you wish for, but it's not something that you work towards if it going to the other person. It's something that, tulad po na sinabi mo, it's God's will, God's doing, and I believe that's something that this country deserves now, which is justice. A lot of us deserve justice in what's happening around the world. When it comes to loyalty naman, I think it's something that it goes hand in hand with love, a true love, and a real love for someone. You have to be loyal to that person, or even loyal to yourself. It works in all different ways. When it comes to revenge, naman ako kasi, I never wish for revenge because I feel like when you're looking for revenge against another person, it's more favor to the other person more than it is to you. You have to learn how to forgive and forget. Because when you're able to forgive and forget, you're also forgiving for yourself. You're also letting go of that hurt na binigay sa ibang tao. So, nasa sa'yo lang.
Such wisdom. Thank you, Kyle. For you, Donnie?
No, I agree. Katulad ng sinabi ni Tito Joel, yung justice talaga, there's a process, and that's why we have a system, and hopefully the system can be better, syempre, pero hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin na, hindi, ito ang gagawin ko, magiging Robin Hood ako. Kasi hindi naman nangyari sa Laplaya Roja. Did something good come out of it from their end? Diba? Ang dami rin namatay, even from their side. Hindi naman yun yung plano nila eh. Tapos next, justice, sa loyalty. I mean, everything, leads back to loyalty. Kung walang cheating involved or breaking of trust, I don't think mangyayari itong hostage taking. Kasi doon nagsimula, di ba, yung mga problema, nagkaroon din ng gambling problem. But you can't, just see the faults of one side kasi lahat naman tayo may pagkakamali. So I think your word is the most powerful object that you can have. And the most powerful thing that you can have. Kasi that's so important. Money cannot buy loyalty. Money cannot buy your word. That's something that you have to cherish and really keep into account that this is very important to me. And then revenge. There's so much hate already, di ba? Sa mundo natin. Sometimes we just have to let God do the revenge, And as much as we can have grief, which is okay mag-grieve, we shouldn't take it into our own hands na hindi kailangan mangyari sa kanya, kailangan itong mangyari. Kasi, what if yun yung iniisip natin, nakakalimutan natin na parang mas nag-stress tayo, mas tayo pa yung nagkakaroon ng problema kaysa sa tao na yun. Kasi palagi natin iniisip, kailangan niya na masaktan, or kailangan na may mangyari. Parang, it's much better, of course, as easy as is said, diba? To just, let go and let God, and as long as you do your part, that's the most important thing. Yeah.
Pasok na pasok yan, syempre, to everybody here na relate tayo sa justice, loyalty, and revenge kapag tayo ay nasaktan, di ba? Gusto natin bumawi. Pero importante, let go and let God. And just be kind and let it take care of the rest. Thank you for